Healthcare providers fear how Medicaid funding cuts can impact Louisianians' access to health care.
As Sabrina Wilson reports, the top Democrat in the U.S. House visited New Orleans to discuss those concerns.
At Crescent Care, a healthcare facility on Canal Street, New Orleans, concerns were voiced over Medicaid funding cuts contained in President Trump's so-called One Big Beautiful Bill, which is now law.
Medicaid is essential to Louisiana. We should be working together to strengthen it, not weaken it.
Congressman Troy Carter, a New Orleans Democrat, brought the House's top Democrat and other Democratic Congress members to the event.
Our communities will be irreparably harmed. More hospital closures, longer wait times, worse health outcomes. It means seniors, children, and people living with disabilities will all suffer.
According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, which does health policy research, in May of this year, over 1.8 million children and adults in Louisiana were enrolled in Medicaid.
The one big ugly bill that has been jammed down the throats of the American people represents the largest assault on Medicaid and health care in American history. The one big ugly bill will have devastating consequences for the people of Louisiana who rely upon Medicaid to get their health service.
Rural hospitals, 33 in our state, will close. Nursing homes will shutter. People will suffer.
U.S. Senator Bill Cassidy of Louisiana touted this week what was done to help rural hospitals.
Lots of concerns about the rural hospitals. We set up a $50 billion rural hospital fund to help protect health care for those who live in rural areas.
Hundreds of thousands of Louisiana's working poor got Medicaid health care under the Affordable Care Act.
This bill doesn't cut off insurance for the working poor. It says if you work 20 hours a week, you can continue on your Medicaid. That's just it. If you are volunteering, going to school, or going to work 20 hours a week, you keep your insurance.
And we're hearing more and more from our Republican citizens who are coming to our town halls.
Democrats say they aren't done fighting against the new law.
This war is far from over. They may have won the battle, but they will not win the war. The people of America are speaking.
Democrats say the Medicaid funding cuts affect both Democrats and Republicans and that their fight against the funding cuts will include the courts.